Good morning, guys. Mr. Kirk here, back with another number sense tips and tricks video. Today's topic is going to be 1.26, which is the double and half trick. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Today's lesson is going to be very quick. Today we're going to not use a whiteboard and jump straight into Bryant Heath's problem set 1.26. So being a geometry teacher, the best way that I can explain this lesson is through the use of geometry and how we solve for the area of certain shapes, like rectangles. In this shape, it has a width of 2 and a length of 10, so its area would be 20. But notice, if I double the width and I halve the length, it becomes a width of 4 and a length of 5. Its area still remains the same. This lesson is called the double and half trick because we're going to manipulate the value of certain numbers to make them easier to do in our head. On problem set 1.26, take a look at number 4. We're going to start there. 15 times 48 might be a difficult solve in your head, but the double and a half trick says that we can change these numbers around to make them easier to solve. I'm going to double 15 to make it 30. If I do that, I can halve 48 to make it 24. This is a much easier solve because now all I have to do is 3 times 24, which might take a few seconds, but eventually you should come to the answer of 72. And don't forget to add that one extra zero at the end to get 720, and just like that, you're finished. Take a look back now at number 3, 64 times 1.5. How would you change these numbers around to make it easier? I'll let you pause the video now and try to find out what's the easiest way to solve number 3, 64 times 1.5. All right, hopefully you came to the conclusion that the easiest way to solve this was to halve 64 and to double 1.5. Now that the problem has become 32 times 3, this is an easy solve of 96. The last problem that we're going to talk about is number 7. It's highlighted bold like it's a challenge problem, but I don't think it's too bad. My best tip to give you guys for this lesson is try to make one of the numbers end in 0. And the easiest way to do that here is to double 35. So I'm going to turn that into a 70. If I double 35, I have to cut 24 in half and make that 12. So lastly, all you have to do in your head is 12 times 7. 12 times 7 is 84. Don't forget to add that one extra zero at the end to get your answer of 840. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you guys now feel equipped to tackle problem set 1.26. Do your best, and as always, go Cats.